Hi, this is Trish. I'm in my backyard. As you can see, I'm videoing a leaf that doesn't want to fall to the ground. We have no idea why. So I thought I'd just show it to you and maybe someone has an idea. I don't see a spider web, so I'm not quite sure why it just wants to lay in the air. Kind of reminds me of people. They're just kind of floundering around, trying to figure out what they're supposed to do, and probably hoping someone's going to come along and help them. Alright, we're going to get closer and see if we can figure out what's keeping this leaf from falling to the ground. Oh, really moving around. This is a little bit windy out here. Alright, there it is, one little leaf dangling in the air. I get a little closer and see what's going on here, that it's not falling. Looks like it's on a fish line or something. I don't see anything holding it. You can let me know if you see anything. I'll back up there so you can see that it's just hanging out there. Tom, do you see anything holding this leaf up in the air?
No.
Should we try to catch it?
No.
Alright, I'll have to come back later and figure out what's going on here. Wait a minute, I do see a spider web. Looks like one little strand way up in the air.